Hi everyone. This module I'm going to explain about magic function or magic method. Right now this is Python 2.7. I'm going to switch this to 3.7 and then go to help. All right. Then string. It's not only available in string, but any method, any class. So you can see these things as well. Okay, this goes too far. All right. For example, I typed the string str, so there's a help page for the class str, and then methods here. Those methods underscore, and then name and ending with underscore. So for example, that function, this method start with underscore and ending with underscore. Open parenthesis, and then all of this, the first four parameters, more. So there's hash, len, so there are so many others. Okay, here I'm going to bring this. Let me see. Len, for example, it returns the length of self. Okay, usually if it is a function associated with the class, this is class string. It is called with the string. For example, if we have ABC string, then the function is called as it is defined. So ABC is a string dot. This is a class dot, but actually these are objects dot followed by method. It is the magic method start with double underscore and len and ending in the open and close parentheses. Then it returns the number of the length, right? The length. What is the length? If this is a string, then it counts the element string there. Similarly, if it is a list like this, the ABC is one of the element in the list. List is in the square bracket. Number 3, then another maybe mercy and ending. Then within this square bracket, there is an element divided by comma, so that we have 3 elements. If it is a list, dot underscore len underscore and open and close parentheses, then it returns the size of this list. In this case above, it returns the size of this string. In this case, it returns the size of the list. So how many elements? I believe there is 3 elements, right? But if we have more than that, maybe 3, 5, and it returns 4 because we have 1 element, 3, and 4. So 4 elements, right? This works as it is defined. Like many other methods, then we have class dot method or function. This is the way it is called, right? But why we call it magic method. Magic is because it's not necessarily always comes with the class like this. It is used by itself. If it is used by itself, we don't need to put underscore before and after. We simply say len and then ABC, then it returns 3, right? Len ABC close parenthesis. So the way that we call this is the same as this. Okay, so magic. This is a function associated with this class. That function can stand alone by itself, and then instead of it associated with the class with the a comma, in this case, this guy class, this string itself will be on a parameter to that function len. Okay. Similarly, len returns 3. So it works like this. For those who knows hash value or hash function, you see here hash. What hash can do is that a given value, it generates a number. That number can numbers so that it is very secure. So hash function is used in many cases for security. So for example, there is a Mercy College is the best in cyber, let's say, then it returns this kind of number. If anybody switches anything of this, instead of E, I want to put a number 1. These and these two are very similar, but only one tiny small byte is modified. The hash number for the original, hash number for the modified ones are not similar at all. It's completely different, right? So in this way, we say we can verify the integrity of a given number. As we said earlier, because hash is a method, we can use it as a standalone, but at the same time, it can be used with the dot notation as a associated function, so that we can say underscore hash underscore and close parenthesis, and then it returns. So this text hash number for that is this. This and this currently newly generated, they are the same, right? Given this the same text, given the same file, it generates same hash number. Therefore, by generating hash number, we can check whether they are. I think this is it. I hope this helped you.